Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate an Amazon gift card without calling customer service, step by step. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the official Amazon website. Make sure you are on the secure and correct site to avoid scams. Step 2. Sign in to your Amazon account. If you don't have an account yet, create one using your email address and a secure password. Step 3. Navigate to Gift Cards in the menu and select Redeem a Gift Card. You can also find this option at the bottom of the Amazon homepage. Step 4. Take your Amazon gift card and locate the claim code. For physical cards, scratch the back gently to reveal the code. For digital cards, check your email or message for the code. Step 5. Enter the gift card claim code exactly as shown in the provided field. Double-check for any typos or extra spaces, as these can prevent activation. Step 6. Click Apply to your balance. Amazon will instantly verify the code and add the gift card amount to your account. You can now use it for purchases immediately. Step 7. Confirm your updated balance. You can check your account settings to see the available gift card funds and start shopping right away. That's it! Following these steps allows you to activate an Amazon gift card without needing to call customer service. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy and helpful step-by-step guides.